Hey, Top Analyze Math Industry, and this is going to be a short video on it's time to change to degrees. No, actually, we're going to use the time to change it to degrees. So if you remember in the earlier part of the geometry unit, we said that this is the amount of degrees, this is the amount of minutes, and that is the amount of seconds. However, how can we put it into 100% degrees? The 18 is okay, but the minutes and seconds doesn't seem to not be okay. So basically, we have to put this into degrees. So now is the time. So we already know that 18 is already in its degrees form. So to understand this video and to get a degree in this video, we keep the 18, however, we have to transfer the 20 and 30 and put them as fractions. 20 over 60, because 60 minutes is equal to an hour. So 20 over 60, and the other one is 30. We have to do it by 60. However, 30 is not in minutes. 30 is in seconds because we see the two marks right there. We can understand that there are 60 seconds in 1 minute, and the fraction says there's 30 out of 60 seconds. Now, here comes the hard part. We have to put 20 over 60 on the bottom, but if we simplify, couldn't we do that? Well, let's try that. If we do 2 over 2 thirds, and say our final answer is 18 out of 2 over 3, 18 degrees 2 thirds, that is not our final answer, because we have to wait a second. By waiting a second, we have to focus on the seconds and convert it into minutes. The reason why is, when you see a measurement in degrees, you would see a whole number and a fraction. And the only way to get from minutes to fractions is getting from minutes to fraction. So by only adding that tiny second amount, we have to convert it into minutes. Then turn that minutes into a fraction, and bam, we're done. So we have to do something about that 30 over 60. That 20 over 60 is okay, because it's already in minutes. But we have to put 30 over 60 on the bottom. So here's 30 over 60. We have to multiply by 1 minute is going to be 60 seconds. However, this has to be simplified. We have to change it to 1 over 2. So 1 over 2 times 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. If we cross multiply, we're going to get an answer of 1 over 20, 120. So now that is how many minutes there are added to the right here, the minutes conversion. If we try to add these two, then convert from minutes to degrees, we'll get our final answer. So we have 18 plus 20 over 60 plus 120, 1 over 120 from the conversion. That is going to equal 18 degrees 41 over 120 as a fraction. And you cannot simplify. Whoa, we did it! We have converted the time to degrees. And since the exams are starting tomorrow, I think now is the time to change it to degrees. So I hope this video has helped you understand how to convert the time into degrees. Thank you for watching Top Analyze Math Industry. Like and subscribe.